Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Incremental Nova. It's lovely to have you. Today I have a surprise for you. Let me show you what I've got. And after showing it, I'll give you time to think about it. This is the thing. Can you guess what this is? This looks like an art frame. Seems like an art frame. But this is IKEA's Sonos speaker. So they also call it IKEA frame speaker, if I'm not wrong. So let me do a quick unboxing of this. We'll open it up, we'll set it up, and we'll see how it sounds. And we'll hear how it sounds like. So first of all, I need to break the seal. Okay, I need to find something to open it. What do I have? Okay. Let me use some quick thinking and open it up with the pen. Okay. So once we have that, so this is what you will find inside the box. Let me take this out. Okay, you can see this is a very nice packaging. You can see it is written here Sonos IKEA. So this was a product of collaboration between Sonos and IKEA. And so this is the frame speaker, whatever you want to call it. I'll keep it aside. There's a booklet, Symfonisk. I might have butchered the name. So this is what it is called, Symfonisk. Cool. Let's see what's else in the box. Under this cover, we have the cable. Okay. One thing that I'm not sure about is why do they have this white cable with black frame or black speakers? I was planning to put it on this wall in front of you. This wall, gray one. And this will not look good aesthetically. So I'll have to find a way to put it on some other wall then. Alright, so this is what you will find in there. This is the cable to power it up. These are Bluetooth speakers, but you do need constant power to it. Just some random accessories on this side, and okay, I think some things to mount it on the wall. So this is gonna come handy. Perfect. So this is like the quick unboxing. This is what comes in the box. Let me open this up for you. So this is like a gift wrap. Once you open that, okay, one more piece. I must say packaging looks really good. Oh my god. Okay. So this does look really good. As you can see, this is a black piece of art. So on the surface, it's a cloth feel. I would say something like a nylon cloth. And underneath, this is all packaging in plastic. And this obviously has the speaker built in. So this is a really good and interesting idea from IKEA. I really like this idea. I mean, it will blend with your interior space. You can just put it on the wall. People will think this is just a piece of art, but this is a speaker as well, a Bluetooth speaker. So I've got two of these. I'm planning to do like a stereo thing. I already have some Sonos speakers. I might be able to sync all of them and make it a stereo. But for now, I'm thinking, where will I put it? Because just because of that white cable, I might not be able to put it on this gray or black wall. I'll have to find a wall where I will be able to hide those cables, because those cables doesn't look good at all. Anyways, so this is how it looks. I will mount it up and I'll show you the sound quality as well. So this is where I have set up my Sonos frame, just right next to my monitor. Whenever I'll be working, I'll have access to it. So you can play songs directly from your Apple AirPlay. You can just transmit the songs to be played on this Sonos frame speaker. The thing with this is, I was actually trying to mount it on this wall here just on top of my monitor. But the thing is, this has white wire, so I was not able to hide that. So I'm thinking I'll make a permanent solution to this later on. But for now, because I wanted to use it, test it out, I just set it up on my desk. So actually, it comes with the accessory to set up something like this. So it has some rubberized anchors at the bottom that supports this kind of setup as well, wherein you just want to put it on your table and not mount it on the wall. So it does come with that setup. So it is designed to be used like this. So I'm using it for now like this. In probably later on I'll mount it on the wall, but for now this is what I have. Other thing that I wanted to do was, so in future I might put it on this wall. This is like the back side of my monitor setup. So I will try to put the speaker. I have two of those, so probably I'll just sync it, create like a stereo thing and put it on the wall. But for now, this is my setup. Let me know how it looks to you. So now you can see how I have set it up on my desk with this setup. It looks really good because it just merges with the ambience. It doesn't look like a speaker, it looks like an art piece. So I've just put it like there. And now let me show you how it sounds as well. So I'm like 3 feet away from this speaker with my Rode Micro NTG video mic. Let me play some sound so you can judge the sound quality of the speaker. So obviously I was not able to play like a typical song from my Apple Music just because of the copyright issues on YouTube. I just got this song from YouTube's copyright free album music thing. So I just played that song. So let me know if you like this speaker. If you want me to do some other kind of review with this speaker. Now I have two of those. I can do stereo kind of thing. So stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, as you know by now, so that I'll be able to share my content with more and more people. So subscribe to my channel and share this video with the people you think will be interested in this product. And with that, see you in the next one.